everyone, welcome back. Today I will explain for you prime factors. Please, dear students, open page 128. Let's combine prime numbers and composite number. Prime number, that means this number has exactly two factors. For example, 5. We have just two factors, 5 and 1. We don't have any number else multiplied together equal to 5. And 7 also it's prime number because we don't have more than two factors. We have just two factors multiplied to other equal to 7. And 11 it's prime because just we have 1 and itself we have two factors. So any number if you have just two factors it's prime number. And 30 also prime number, and 90 also prime number. And you have composite number. Composite number, that means we have more than two factors. For example, 15. We have 1 multiply 15 equal 15, and we have 3 multiply 5 also equal 15. So from there we have 4 factors. So it's composite number. 15 it's composite number. And 16 also it's composite number because you have 4 multiply 4. For example, we have 4. It's another factor for 16. And 2 multiply 8. It is 2 another factors for 16. So we have more than two factors. It is a composite number. And we have this example. For example, we have 20. 20 it's composite number. We write as a prime factor. Use factor 3. This way it's called factor 3. For example, we have 20, which find two number multiplied other equal to 20. For example, we have 4 multiplied 5 or 10 multiplied 2. It's up to you. Okay, from there we'll write 10 multiplied 2. So 10 is also composite number. We can make it a two factor, prime factor. For example, 10 you have 5 multiplied 2, so write 2 and 5. And 2 it's prime, we let 2. Okay, now we get 3 numbers, prime numbers or prime factors. Okay, we write as a product multiply. Okay, 20 equal to 2. It is recorded from least to greater. We have more examples. For example, from there we have 30. 30 it is composite number. We will write as a prime factors. I said myself 30 come from 10 multiplied by 3. So we split them 10 and 3. And 3 it's prime, so we let 3. 10 it's composite. We come from 2 multiplied 5. We split them 2 multiplied 5. And now we have 3 prime factors, so we write as a product factor. And from there we have 36. 36 also composite. I said it's come from 9 multiplied by 4, so we write 9 multiplied 4. And 9 it's composite. 4 also it's composite. 9 it is come from 3 multiplied 3, and 4 it's come 2 multiplied 2, so I split them. Now we have 4 prime numbers, prime factors. We write as a product. 36 equal to 2 multiplied 2 and multiply 3 multiply 3. And we have this idea. The number 1 it's not a prime or composite because it has only one factor. Keep it in your mind. Let's solve practice. Write prime or composite for each numbers. In number 1 we have 16. 16 it's composite or prime. 16 it's composite because we have more than two factors. For example, we have 1 multiplied 16 equals 16, and 4 multiplied 4 equals 16, and we have 2 multiplied 8 equals 16. So we have more than two factors. 16 it is composite number. And from there we have 27. 27 it's also composite because we have more than two factors. We have, for example, 9 multiplied 3 also equal to 27. And from there we have 13. 13 it is prime because exactly we have just two factors, 1 and itself. We have 1 multiplied 13 equal to 13. It is prime. students, stay with me. We have this table in page 132. It's about divisibility. Let's remember divisibility. That means we have a number can be divided by another. So this table will show us the divisibility rule for 2 and 5, 10. Two even numbers are divisible by 2. That means can be divided by 2 if they are even numbers. Even numbers, they are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So any number, the last digit, if it ended with even, so it's divisible by 2. And 5, a number is divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. That means any number it has the last digit 5 or 0, it can divide by 5. That means can divisible by 5. And 10, a number is divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. That means any number that it has a last digit 0, that means 1 is it's 0, so can divisible by 10. That's about divisibility. Thank you for watching.